She's ringing the doorbell.
Josh is stealing the puppy. Go after him. Come on, Josh. We have soda. Hello.
Hi.
You like play?
I'm uploading all these on YouTube.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
No, Josh. No.
Mojo.
What?
Let's go upstairs, everyone.
That video might.
Hey, can you girls take some of the balloons and because we got about 50 seconds in the balloon, they all need to be filled.
Okay.
Cool. Josh.
That is cool.
Wait, what? Where are we going?
Yeah, where are we going?
Somebody want to come down here? I'll give them to you. Have it all.
Yeah.
It's clueless.
Is this Josh's room?
No.
Mama's
This is his room.
Oh.
It's more messy. Look at that.
To be manly.
Manly. Ew.
Where is it?
Josh, where are your
video games? How manly this is.
Manly tiger shark.
That's David. Bushy eyebrows.
Oh, it's scary.
Watch this. You're gonna get
That is moving.
Are you hunted? No! Wow, you guys are so wild.
you guys are so
His eyes are gone. Wait, I'm gonna show you the red and the evil face. Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh my god, she looks mad. Runs down.
This is not a party without me. No, what?
Not part. What does that mean, Christian? You're better than all of us?
No.
Ew.
Such a drink downstairs before my daddy gets mad.
Oh, right there, CJ.
Where?
There,
On the table. On the table? Hurry up.
Yeah.
Put on the table.
I got lost in her room so many times. I'm like, I end up in Josh's room all the time. When I want to go downstairs, I'm like going to his room. Like, where am I going? I'm so lost.
Don't you dare record me.
Changing.
Okay.
Handle it, woman. It's only a bathing suit. Yeah. Stripper.
Are you still video camera?
Yeah.
Whoa. How long is this?
2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Oh my god.
Wearing her bathing suit.
CJ, your favorite game.
But she's the only one that stands out because of that maid's dress under her bathing suit. Rip it off! Oh, CJ, you food area.
Resident Evil.
Oh, I like her. She's awesome.
Guess what?
Does he die?
I don't know. Guess what? She gets sexually harassed.
When?
From where? Yeah, this dude, he's like catching her all over. It's a very good game for children.
Etchy.
And this one, you just kill people. Oh. It's really fun. They're really.
I think my cousin has that. Oh my god, how do you guys dance it, Teresa? Come over here. Over here.
I don't want to do it. You go.
Banged into CJ. Everyone join in if they know it.
I don't know it.
Josh, you know how to hire you guys. Come on. How do you guys?
Go forward.
Thank you. It's hard dancing with one hand.